chaos of the past year, I've found myself going through so many different ups and downs. This pandemic has forced me to reflect on my life in a way that I had never been able to before. On my return from France, I spent the next 20 of 24 days in quarantine. I was fortunate enough to isolate out on the Hvaler Islands, a chain of islands not far from where I live. It's the first time I've spent an extended period of time out here, and as always, the Norwegian landscape never fails to amaze me. Everyone has been touched by this pandemic, and it's moments like this where I feel the distance even more between me and Mason. I've been lucky enough to witness the progression from winter to spring in such a beautiful place, and as I turn 30, I look back at this rich and full life that I've experienced, and I look forward with hope and excitement for the next adventures to come.